I'm Harish Shahi, research head from Daily FX Signal. So today I'm giving my view on the copper. Well, by looking on the daily chart, we can see that copper is making successfully higher highs and higher lows, and it is rising up by taking the support from the 50 EMA line. But on the other side, when we look on the RSI as well as MACD, we can see a very strong divergence, which is suggesting that we may see sell off at any time because the current buying is very temporarily and the indicators are not supporting on the downside of the picture. Well, when short term uptrend line is still valid on the chart, so as long as 3.000 level remains intact, we will keep our view bullish, and below this level we will suggest to traders that go for the sell for the target of 2.708 and 2.5000. The stop loss would be the recent high is 3.2500, but do not go in a hurry. Better to wait for the clear downfall on the hourly chart or on the daily chart, and better to have a reversal candle on the 4 hourly chart at least, then we can go for the sell side. A bearish crossover on the MACD indicator is about to come, which will be the recent development, and RSI has turned down from the overbought territory above 70 level, which is a recent development on the 4 hourly chart. So odds are in favor of bears for a very short term, and our buys remains bearish for the very short term period. And the recent high can be the stop loss for the aggressive traders, and positional traders can wait for the clear breakout of 3.000 level. Thank you.